My name is Mark, and we've had home restoration experts come and do some work on our home. It's been a bit of a process. We actually contacted them initially a couple of years ago. They came out very promptly, gave us an estimate, very easy to work with. We ended up kind of delaying for a while, followed up with them again just this summer, or spring actually. And the team came out, gave us an estimate very promptly, detailed, kind of walked us around the house, talked us through everything that we're going to do. We ended up having them stain the whole exterior of the house. They put on new gutters. We wrapped some parts of the house in aluminum. It was great to work with. They came out promptly. They got the work done in a great amount of time. They found some things that needed to be done that we didn't know about originally, but were very, very helpful. Got good updated estimates. The work was outstanding. We're very pleased with how the house looks. We're pleased with the team that we got to work with, and I highly recommend them.